Hey everyone, are you ready to embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of cryptocurrency trading? Look no further than MEXC, a leading exchange that offers a wide range of features and unparalleled opportunities for traders of all levels. And here's the best part. By using the MEXC Referral code 12K4M5, you can unlock exclusive benefits that will elevate your trading experience to new heights. Imagine stepping into a vibrant marketplace where you can access over 2,300 cryptocurrencies and 2,700 trading pairs. MEXC's extensive selection caters to diverse investment strategies, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and explore new opportunities. Whether you're interested in popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or intrigued by the potential of altcoins, MEXC has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the perks of using the referral code 12K4M5. By entering this code during your registration, you'll gain access to special promotions that could include reduced trading fees, bonus credits, or even exclusive trading events. It's like having a VIP pass to the world of crypto trading. One of the standout features of MEXC is its futures trading platform. With up to 200x leverage on CoinM and USDT-M perpetual futures, you can amplify your potential returns while managing your risk. The platform offers advanced order types like limit, market, and trigger orders, as well as the ability to choose between cross and isolated margin modes. But that's not all. MEXC also offers a unique copy trading feature. This allows you to follow and replicate the strategies of successful traders, enabling you to learn from the best while potentially increasing your profits. Imagine being able to mirror the moves of top traders with just a few clicks. Security is paramount in the crypto space, and MEXC takes this seriously. With robust security measures in place, including cold storage for most user funds and strict adherence to international security protocols, you can trade with peace of mind knowing that your assets are protected. Additionally, their dedicated customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns. In conclusion, if you're ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading or elevate your existing experience, MEXC is the platform for you. Don't forget to use the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 when signing up to unlock exclusive benefits that will set you on the path to success. Get ready to explore the limitless possibilities of crypto trading with MEXC.